Hi, today I'm going to show you how you can completely change the look of your Windows 11 home, taskbar, and home screen. So we're going to be using an app called WinHawk. So just search up WinHawk on your Google search bar here. Tap on this WinHawk. Now on winhawk.net, you can just click on download here. Now on download, you just have to download WinHawk. Just let it download like this. Now once it's done, just double click it, click on run, click on yes. I'm just gonna click on reinstall. So you can see here, it's installing WinHawk just like this. Let's just wait for it to load. Once it's done installing, it'll say something like this, completing WinHawk setup. Just click on run WinHawk and then click on finish. Now let's just wait for it to load up. Now, when it loads up, you'll be greeted with a UI that looks like this. Now, it might look a little scary, but the thing that we have to do is basically mods, right? So that's how we will actually change the look and feel of our Windows 11 system. Now, for example here, we can install a slick window arrangement, disable grouping on the taskbar, or taskbar volume control, or taskbar clock customization. So, for example here, we want to change the look and feel of our taskbar, right? So I'm just going to install taskbar clock customization. Go to details, click on install, click on accept risk and install, and now let's wait for it to install. Now, once it's installed, now we can actually change how our taskbar looks. So for example, if I go to settings here and I don't want it to show seconds, you can see right now my clock here has already changed, right? So for example, I don't want to show seconds. I just turned that off. And now the show seconds one, if I click on save settings, you can see it won't show any seconds anymore. And the possibilities of these customization is basically limitless here, right? You can change every little thing about how you feel and how you want about Windows 11. For example, I'm just going to disable this for now, and I'm going to show you another taskbar styler here. So for example, details on this is a Windows 11 taskbar stylers, and if I go to settings and I go to themes and I want it to be a Windows XP theme, I can save settings, and you can see it basically just transformed my whole computer into Windows XP like this. I'm going to click on none. I'm going to click on save settings, and these mods, these featured mods, it's not just the one that we have here. If I click on explore other mods, you can see just how much customization we have. Like Windows 11 start menu styler. If I go to the details here, you can see that we can change how the start menu will look like this. You can see you can change it to be like this here. See, row spine. This is what the picture will look like. You can see, imagine having this on your Windows 11, and you can just by using this app. So of course it'll be pretty much impossible for me to show every little thing you can do here, but this is basically like your creativity is the limit here. Any other mods and customization you can do with WinHawk. If you like this video, please consider liking and subscribing.